my name is Smee Patel. I am 13 years old. I'm about to be 14, and I'm going to go into eighth grade, and I got summer vacation right now. Anyway, this is my chess project. When you click on the green flag, you'll say a screen, and then like you're gonna play your chess by the famous captain man. There will be a play button, and the board is gonna show up, and what else is gonna happen is what's gonna happen. You move pieces. White goes first, blue goes next, and I mean white goes first, black goes second. In this case, it's blue, red. Blue goes first, red goes second. Anyway, let's start. Okay, so these are the pawns. They move one square ahead, they move one square ahead forward, and the first turn they can move two if they want, like that, and then like these are knights. They move in L shapes like that. Next, bishops move diagonally, like, and then,
Hello.
and then like so on. It's red to move. Let's say I do this, and then I can move that pawn. Now let's say I decide to do that, and I can like attack that pawn like that, and attack me like that, and I can attack like that, and then attack like that. No, I can attack like that, like pawns capture diagonally and so on. You can attack like that, I can attack like that. Then you can move that. And then, oh, and then this is the queen, this is the king. Okay, the piece that looks like this. And that's the queen. It can move in any direction. It can move in any direction as far as it wants. King is the opposite, it moves one square away. Any direction. Okay, and then what I'm doing right now. And this is a rook, moves diagonally and forward like that. And the game keeps going till the other king loses, till the other king is captured. And then like now I'm the okay, now as a blue, I'm gonna capture that king. It's gone. And I win. Now we're gonna do the same thing, but we're gonna have red win. Now last time we saw blue won. Now we're gonna have red win on purpose. Gonna do that. Open that. Open like that. What's there? And so I move this. Okay. Red puts there. Red wins. And I'll see you another time. Bye.